video, it was like 2 years ago. My foundation routine did change over the years, so I just want to create that video and like do an update version of it. If you're new to my channel, I make beauty and lifestyle videos. If you're interested, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell to be notified when I upload. And if you are not new, welcome back to another thing I do before applying foundation is I will wash my face and then I will apply a moisturizer after I wash my face. I will use like this Pond's moisturizer. It's like a smoothing moisturizer, and it's the one with the pink cap. I will just apply this all over my face. After I apply a moisturizer, then I will go in with a face primer, and I'm gonna use this e.l.f. poreless primer, and it's like a real smooth primer, and I recommend using this one because it's like it makes the skin real soft and smooth. A real good primer, but I kind of don't like the smell of it because it smells like lime cake, but I kind of don't like the smell of it. So I just apply it on my forehead, my cheeks, and my chin. You want to apply a little bit, a little goes a long way. And you want to make sure you rub the primer in really good, and make sure it's so thin because it does take a while to blend, but just make sure you rub it in real good. So next I will go in with foundation. This is one of my favorite foundations, the LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation, and it's a perfect match for my skin. Try something different, so I'm not gonna use this one, but I do like this foundation. I use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Foundation, and it's in the shade Porcelain. The LA Girl one is in Ivory. I have oily skin. Even though this is dewy foundation, I'm still gonna use it. I'm not gonna use too much. I'm gonna apply it to my face. And I'm gonna use this flat foundation brush to blend it out. Before I would, like 2 years ago, before I would put foundation on, I would use like a green color corrector and concealer first before I put foundation on. But it's been 2 years and I changed my routine up. Use this beauty blender to like just blend it out a little bit. This is the beauty blender by Believe Beauty, and you could get this at Dollar General for $5. I like using a beauty blender after applying foundation because it's like it takes away like some of the product if it's too much, and if you use the brush, it like takes away the brush streaks. Yeah, I like to do this. Foundation, then I will go in with a concealer, the CoverGirl Undercover True Blend Concealer, and it's in the shade Fair. I'm just gonna put it on my highlighted area. This one is a good one. It's a little expensive, but it's a pretty good concealer. So yeah, I just applied the concealer on my highlighted areas where you want to highlight, like on your cheeks, on your chin, and your forehead, and yep. After that, then I'm gonna set my whole face using this air spawn. And it's in the shade translucent. I'm gonna use like a fluffy powder brush. I don't use much to set my face, I just use like a little bit. After setting my entire face using the loose powder, I noticed a difference, like how flawless my foundation looks, and I've been doing this ever since. After I set my face, I will go in with contour and bronzer. I'm gonna use this contour palette by Absolute New York. Highlight shade in the corner, and then at the bottom is like the contour and bronzer shade. Bronzer shade under the highlight shade, and I'm gonna use that to bronze and contour. The reason why I contour and bronze my face is to add like a little warmth to like my face so it doesn't look like washed out like this kind of brush. It's like almost like the other powder brush that I use to set my face, but it's a little smaller. But usually I will use this brush, but it's kind of too big a little. Sometimes I'll use it, sometimes I won't, but I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild contour brush, and it's like an angled contour brush, so I'm gonna use this to contour and bronze my face. So after highlighting and concealing, you wanna contour and warm up your face. Don't wear blush, but sometimes I will wear blush. Today I feel like wearing it, so I'm gonna use this LA Colors Red Rouge blush. Now I'm gonna take this highlight shade, it's like a white highlight shade, and I'm gonna apply it to the high points of my cheekbone. And I'm gonna use this little highlight brush that I got in my Ipsy Glam bag. I don't know where you can find this, but you can find this somewhere. Just adding a little highlight to make my face look glowy or whatever. I think that's how people use highlight to glow their face. This is not part of the foundation routine, but since I didn't do eyeshadow, I'm gonna apply mascara, and I'm gonna use this Thrive Cosmetics mascara. So I usually don't do this, but I'm gonna set my face using this Tarte setting spray. and I don't usually set my face, but I'm gonna do it this time. This is the finished look, and it's like a simple makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you watched the whole video, let me know if you guys want to see more makeup tutorials or anything, and I will do more. If this video gets to likes, I will do more. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do think this video was better than the last one that I did 2 years ago. Leave a like down below, leave a comment, and share this video, and I will see you guys in my next video.